Hello dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to discussing about chapter 3.4 basic discussion and problem solution, and it is branch of general mathematics, Since this chapter is depends on the algebra, so we need to know who is the father of algebra. Actually, the word algebra comes from the Arabic algebra lit, the restoring of broken part, from the lit title of the book Lim al Jabr wal Muqabala, the science of restoring and balancing by Persian mathematician astronomer Al-Khwarizmi. So Muhammad Al-Khwarizmi is the father of algebra. This is Shahzar, lecturer of mathematics, Manston College. First of all, we need to know what actually the algebraic expression is. Actually, if anything like this, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, this is generally known as algebraic expression, where a, b, c, d, these are constant and x are the variables. Here, which degree we can say, here the degree will be 3. If here equal to 0, then that will be a equation, and we can say on the time that this was the, all this will be the third degree equation. However, we can understand the algebraic equation where some constant part will there and will one or two variables. So a, b, c, d is constant and x is variable. So in this part, what will be that? Yes, 3, 4, 6 are constant and x is variable. Similarly, y square plus 9y plus 12. In this algebraic expression, we also can say 9 and 12 is our constant, and y square plus y, that is our variable. 5y plus 9, also y is variable, 5 and 9 is our constant. If something like this, k to the power 4 plus 10k cube plus 5k square plus 6, yes, the red marks are all the constants and k is our variable. For this, suppose something like this, and cube plus 10 and square plus n plus 6, then 10 and 6, these two are constant but these are variables. From this, we can say how to convert algebraic expression to function. Suppose this was our algebraic expression ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. But the question is which variable this expression has. X, that's our function will be x. So x f of x equal ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then for this x cube plus x square, so variable is x, so the function will be also x. Here the variable is y, so function is y. Here the variable is k, that's why function is on k. Here the function is of and, that's why the function of and is this. So I think we can understand how to algebraic expression converts into function. Okay, our second part says how functions works. Suppose a function like this, x to the power f of x equal ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So what will be f of s? Just putting the value of s in every place of x, then you will get ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Can you understand? Just putting the value of s on x, then you will get your, just this is the function that actually works. Suppose f of ox, just putting the value of ox at the place of x, then you will get your function. If 1, similarly, if y, just putting the value of y in at the place of y. If f of minus half, similar work you have to do, just at the place of x you have to put the minus half in every place, then you will get the answer of the functions. This is how the function works. Then objectives to solve these types of maths. Our first work will be algebraic expression converts into function. Our second work will be find a value of x such that f of x equals 0. Our third work is make a function of f of x. Our fourth work will be factorization. And finally, we get our answer. Then, how find a value of x? Here our second question shows, or second work was find a value of x such that f of x will be 0. How we can find a value of x? First of all, we will try for the factorization, or see the coefficient of two corners values, or putting other variables. Then question is how to make a factor of f of x. How to make a factor of x? To make a factor, we need to remember a value, of formula, that is variable minus value. Variable minus value. Suppose for f for x equal minus 1, f of x is 0. This is the first part. Suppose for x equal minus 1, f of x equals 0. Then our factor will be variable minus value. Variable is x and value is minus 1. So x minus 1. Minus is our formula minus, and value is our minus. So x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1, is a factor of f of x. Then this chapter talking about the remainder theorem. So we need to know what actually the remainder theorem is. Here, if we indicate dividend by f of x, quotient by h of x, remainder by r, divisor by x minus a. If we indicate this all part are like this way, then according to the formula of dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Do you know this formula? Yes, I know that you these are very familiar to you. So we can just putting these values into according to this formula, then we'll get f of x, that was our dividend, equal to x minus a, that was our divisor, into h of x, that was our divisor was x minus a, and h of x is our quotient. Just multiply these two, plus remainder. So here remainder is r, so plus r. So according to the formula, we can just putting this formula is true for all values of s, because here we are talking about divisor by x minus a. So according to the factorization or factor formula, we know for the value of a, the formula will be satisfied. So substituting x equal a, then what we'll get? So if we a from x equal to x, then the value a just place into x, then f of a equal a minus a into h of a plus r, that is h of a plus r equal r, that is r equal f of a. That was our remainder theorem. That the remainder theorem means remainder equal our factor value. Remainder equal our factor value. Here is given this. Therefore, f of x is divided by x minus a. If we divide f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. This formula is known as remainder theorem. Then one question to you, that is, if this is divided by x minus 1, then what is the quotient? Procedure is this: x minus a divided by this, then you will get this. Then from here, x minus a is our divisor, x to the power x 6 square minus 7x plus 5, that is our dividend, 6x minus 1, that is our quotient, and 4 is our remainder. Then in the above example, a equal 1, if we putting the value of a equal 1, then the function, this function will be equal to the remainder. So we can say that this is x minus a will be a factor of f of x if and only if f of a equals 0. This is a corollary you have to remember, and this is just a example. You have to understand what is divisor, what is dividend, what is quotient, and what is remainder. Nothing else. This math is not important to you. Now, from this math, we need to understand what is happening here. Resolve into factors this. First of all, here f of x equal this. Our first work, here I written some objective. The objective is here. Our first objective was algebraic expression converts into function. Algebraic expression is given here. You have to convert algebraic expression into function. So which function this is? What is the variable in here? Yes, x. That's why you have to write let or here f of x equal this. This is our first work. Our second work is find a value of x such that f of x equals 0. And I told you that the value can be found by many ways. Among of that, factors are very important. We have to find the factors. Which factors of these factors? Here six. We will first know, or we will first see who are the factors of 6. Uh, Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and plus minus 6. These all are the factors of 6. Then we have to check. Then putting 1 and minus 1 into this function, you will see that f of x is not 0. Then putting plus 2 in that function, then you will see f of x equal 0. So we get our value. Our task 2 is completed. Find a value of x such that f of x equals 0. So here for 2 equals 0, that's why 2 is our required value. Then putting the value of 2, our given function was this f of x equal x cube minus x minus 6, and f of 2 equal, just putting the value of 2 in at the place of x, then you will get your answer 0. So for 2 we get what? For 2 we get f of x equal 0. Then make a factors of f of x. What is the formula for factor? Yes, variable minus value. Then x minus, that is variable minus value, is our factors of f of x. So x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Then we need to go for fourth stage, that is our factorization. We have to factorization this. How to factorization? Just see carefully. First of all, you need to write this. Our what is our factors x minus 2? Write for the third time or fourth time. Write third time actually, because here is power 3, so you have to write three times. Then you have to think, here is x cube, here was x minus 2. If we multiply this part into x square, then we get x cube. That's why we multiply x cube. Then we'll get what? X cube minus 2x square by multiplying this. These are first work. Second part is x is 2x square, but here is no x square term, so we need to remove 2x square. By how? If we can come here 2x square plus 2x square, then 2x square 2x square gone. That's why we need to multiply 2x into this, 2x into this, so that we get our 2x square plus, then these two are gone. Here now minus 4x, but here was only minus x. So if here we can take plus 3x, then minus 4x plus 3x, that will be minus x. That's why we will multiply here plus 3, so that we get plus 3x minus 6, plus 3x minus 6. Just calculate it, then you will get plus minus x and minus 6. So this is how we can solve this. Then here x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 taking common, then x square 2x and plus 3 will come this way, and finally that is our answer. Actually this is our answer, no need to go for this line, no need to go. Okay, our second math says 3a cube plus 2a plus 5. We have to think our we have to memorize our objective. Our first objective was algebraic expression converts into function. This was our first work. So here, which is the variable? Yes, a. So we will go solution, let f of a equal this. This is our first work. Second work is, for which value of x this will be 0. Here 5 was there. To if you factorize 5, then you will get 1 and 5 plus minus 1 and plus minus 5. Since here all of the values are in plus sign, that's why no need to go for plus sign, plus values, because if we put any plus values, no, we can't get 0. That's why when all the values are plus, then we have to check by minus values only. So to 5 was plus 5, plus minus 5, and plus minus 1. So minus 1, for minus 1 the value is 0. So what will be our factors? Our formula was x minus minus 1 is the factors. So the factor will be x plus a. because the variable minus value. So a minus minus 1, that is a plus 1, is a factor of f of a. Then our value, our formula, actually our what our expression was f of a equal 3a cube plus 2a plus 5. Then we need to go for our factorization part. Just write a plus 3 for third times. Then we have to think 3a cube. So by which multiply by a, we get 3a cube. Obviously a square and 3. So if we 3a square into this, then we get 3a cube. Okay, let us see what is happening. Yes, 3a square, then we get this. Just multiply this two. Here is 3a square, but there is no square term, so we need to remove this part. By which way? Minus 3a, then by multiplying a, that will be minus 3a square. Yes, minus 3a, then we get our answer. So this is neglected, so we get minus 3a. Now the question is minus 3a, but we need actually plus 2a. What can be done here? Yes, plus 5. If we plus 5 multiply by this, then 5 into f minus 5, plus 5 and plus 1 into plus 5, that is plus 5, and that is our final part. Clear? Okay. Now our common part was a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 1. So just write a plus 1, then we have to write a cube minus 3a plus 5, and that's our answer. Resolve this maths. Actually these are very similar to you, so we know we have to convert this into algebraic function. Here a is the variable, so function will be f of a. Okay, then we get for f of minus 1, we get this 0. So f of a plus 1 is the factor of f of a. Then just calculate this part and you will get your answer. I think these are almost similar, that's why this is your homework. Now this is the another math, x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 4. This is also similar at the first and second maths. So we need to know what is the variable in here. Yes, x is the variable, so f of x will be our function, and for 2 x is our function. For 2 we get it 0. Then x minus 2 is the factor of f of x. Just go for the factorization and get our answer. Now the math, this is a little bit different math to you, because all of that maths previously we have been done all that 3 degree, but here is 4 degree. So here obviously we get 4 maths or 4 factors. Our first work is, yes, function. We need to denote the function, since all the variables are x, that's f of x equal this. Then we have to calculate, suppose here is 2, and you need to know that the factorization of 2 was plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Since minus for minus 1 we get the function 0, that's why f of minus 1 we have been putting at the place of x, then we get this, after that we get the 0. So our function or our factors will be x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1 is the factor of f of x. Okay, I told you something different here, because look at that, we take for 4 times. Since the power is 4, that's why we have to take it for 4 times, but previously all times we take only 3 because the power was 3. Clear? Okay, first of all we need to uh, do 4x to the power 4 from here, and by multiplying 4x cube, then we get 4x to the power 4 plus 4x cube. Here was 3x 12x cube, but here is only 4x cube. So how many we need? Yes, 8. So 8x square, if we multiply in here 8x square, then we get 8x cube plus 1 into this, then 8x square. But here is given only 7x square, but we get here 8x square. So minus x, if we multiply here, then we get minus x square minus x. So this part is completed. Now here is minus 3x, but we get only minus x, so we need, yes, minus 2, then we get minus 2x minus 2. Clear? Now x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, take it as common, and this will be remain same. Now this part again you have to solve, but the fact is if we just take common here, then we get our answer by this way. 4x square common from this 2, then x plus 2, minus 1 is common from this 2, then x plus 2, and x plus 2 taking common, then we get this part. Here a square minus b square formula can be given, then we get 2x square minus 1 square, and finally we get our answer. I think you can understand this math. Thank you. This is the another formula where given a to the power 4. First of all, we need to go for the convert into the function. Since all the variables is a, that's f of a equal this, then f of 1 equal this part. Then therefore our formula was variable minus value, so x minus a or a minus 1 will be our answer. Then going for the normal procedure, you can understand already, but the question is a cube plus a square plus a minus 3. If we take common a square from here, then this part not missing. That's why we have to do the same part or same thing again. We have to calculate now a cube plus a square plus a minus 3. How? Let, because this part here all the part was a, then the function will be f of a equal this, then f of 1 equal, we get the 0, so our factor will be f a minus 1 will be the factor of f of a. Then just the normal procedure for this part, then for this part we get this, and now multiply it to a minus 1, that will be our answer. So our answer will be a minus 1 into total part. Okay, thank you. Resolve into factors. This is a very tricky math for you. Here all the variables is, all terms have the variable, and the variable is x. So taking x as common, then what is given, we find here x to the 5 and x, all the values of x. Now we need to just calculate this part. So this is the variable of x, so our function will be f of x. I think you can understand. Now for value of x 1, for value of x equal 1, we get the value of 0. So our factor will be variable minus value. So x minus 1 will be our, yes, factors. And then our normal procedure, we get our answer. Just here you may think that how this come, just here is given some shortcut to you, but hopefully you can understand, and this also is your homework. So our chapter 3.4 similar types of math is there, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. And chapter 3.5 some work was there, page number 66. These are 1 to 3, these are also the similar types of math of here. If we completed these all maths, then one part will be completed and second lecture is coming soon. Hopefully you can understand the topic. Wish you all the best. This is Shasa, lecturer of mathematics, Milestone College. Thank you very much.